to my channel. Today I would like to show you guys how to make tofu and mushroom taco. So recipe from Nepali CBTM. Taco is Mexican dish. It is very popular in America. So these are all the ingredients: mushroom, tofu, avocado, lettuce, onions, lime, cilantro, chili, taco shell, cheese, mayonnaise, sour cream, brown sugar, cumin powder, garam masala, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, sea salt, paprika powder. Guys, I'm going to mix taco seasoning. One teaspoon garam masala, one teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon brown sugar, one teaspoon paprika powder, half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, two pinch sea salt, and a half teaspoon Italian seasoning. Look at that, I'm putting all together. So I'm going to mix oil. So after mix, taco seasoning is look like that. So I'm going to now cut mushroom and tofu. Guys, this is a deep fried tofu. I fried like half an hour ago. So I'm going to cut now dice piece. So I'm going to cut mushroom also. Slice. So after that I'm going to cook mushroom and tofu, saute in the pan. Guys, first heat the pan for a while and drop olive oil. Leave for a while. After that, I'm going to add the sliced mushroom. On slow side. And diced tofu. Cook 4 to 5 minutes. After that, done. 2 minutes. I'm going to add the taco seasoning. Look at that, nice color. After 2 minutes, it's gonna be ready. So guys, now I'm going to make the salsa. So I use 1 tomato, half red onion, so dice, 1 lime juice, 1 chili, and 3 stand cilantro. So guys, remove the seed like that. Do not use the seed, just use the like skin with, and make small dice. Fine chop. This is the salsa, chili, chop onion, chop cilantro, and chop tomato. So I'm going to add some black pepper. Just little bit. And I'm going to add sea salt, just little bit. And the 1 lemon lime juice. Cut into the two. Squeeze. Squeeze. 1 more. Squeeze. Ooh. After this, mix well. So this is a sour cream. So I'm going to mix the sour cream with mayonnaise, salt, pepper, a little bit paprika powder, and garlic powder. So sour cream, 3 tablespoons. And mayonnaise, 1 spoon. Salt, 2 pinch sea salt. Garlic powder, just little bit. Paprika powder, 2 pinch. Black pepper, 1 pinch. One way is lemon juice, like that, and then you mix well. I'm going to cut avocado. Take out the seed. Put some lemon juice, just little bit. Black pepper, just little bit. Okay. salt, chopped cilantro, and mix together. This is the taco shells, so I'm going to warm in the pan one by one. So guys, if you have a microwave at home, so you can use the microwave like 30 seconds. So guys, this is all our ingredients: taco shells, lettuce, tofu and mushroom with taco seasoning, salsa, sour cream and guacamole and cheese. So first put little lettuce, salsa on the top, guacamole, sour cream, cheese on the top, and roll like that. And the garnish, one lime and cilantro on the top. So this is a ready mushroom tofu taco. Okay guys, ready now, mushroom and tofu taco. This is for Nepali CBTM recipe. So I'm going to now taste. Ooh, look at that. Squeeze the lemon juice and hold like that and bite like that. Wow, it's a perfect seasoning. Taste is very delicious, yummy. All ingredients is like a juicy and like savory flavor, and this is perfect for vegetarian people who doesn't eat meat. And thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Please like, subscribe in my channel. If you have any suggestion about my video, please don't forget to write comment in box. Bye. Have a wonderful day.